840 new cases of COVID-19 were detected for the past 24 hours. 476 cases were registered in Bishkek, 8 in Osh, 131 in Chuy region, 31 in Osh region, 9 in Talas region, 11 in Naryn region, 54 in Issyk-Kul region, and 78 in Jalalabad region, and 42 in Batken region. Since the beginning of the pandemic, 167,076 cases of COVID-19 have been registered. Today, 10,935 people are receiving treatment for coronavirus. 7,629 outpatients and 3,306 stationary patients. Among them, 188 people are in extremely serious condition. 888 are in serious condition. The condition of 2,158 patients, or 65.2%, is assessed as moderate. 35 patients are in satisfactory condition. During the day, 1,550 people recovered in the Republic. A total of 152,402 people recovered from the beginning of pandemic. 9 people have died from the coronavirus in the last 24 hours. Since the beginning of the pandemic, 2,372 people have died.